Welcome in another video from the Dodge Dart 2015 GT. I think it's not the correct order, but you know what I'm talking about. I really tried to make it the last episode before this car hits the road, and then after we drive it, we will do some upgrades because I still need to do a lot of things. I mean, I want to throw like a carbon fiber front bumper lip and a little in the back and side skirts from carbon. You know, I'll help my daughter upgrade the car a little bit. They can be really nice. Like I saw the pictures on Facebook groups. They can look really nice, but it takes time and money. So yeah, I'm starting to work on this wheel. I will not show you any more wheels because I know the last video was pretty boring because all I did was like one wheel. Pretty much. I'm almost done with the engine. Actually, I just need that pipe, and I think here is everything done. But I noticed some weird water. It looks like water, but it's like oily water. So I don't know, under the car. I'll show you in a little bit. So right now I'm lifting the car. Okay guys, now I can see because I only seen like this. I touched it and I'm like, coolant? But too clear for a coolant. But when we get close, especially here, ta-dam, amazing, amazing, amazing. Because I don't have enough work on this car, so new things are coming out. I love it. I see it over here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, my filmmaker skills are amazing, I know guys, but I'm trying my best to show you. Oh, like there, you see it? And I think it's like the thermostat housing. That might be it. Oh, yeah. Yep. So I don't know if it will be the last video like I told you, because I mean, it's not a big deal. We just gotta replace the thermostat and the housing, but always something. That's leaking like so bad. I mean, I wanted to drain the coolant, but I don't think there is anything to drain. How is it going so fast? I found it, guys. I found the leak. It's not the thermostat. It's, oh, this hose. But I didn't even touch it. Right here. Okay guys, I got this connector out. It just fell down there on the ground. It was hard to get it off because of the clip. It has like the pull-off clip. I'll show you when because probably I'll have to order the whole new line because it's like it looks like it was already replaced. You think? Do you think I can only order that little plastic connector? I don't think so. I think it comes with the whole line. I gotta look it up. Yeah, like I said, guys, I have to order the whole thing, like from here with the connector, and it goes all the way here to the reservoir. But how does it connect here? Why they can't just put regular clamps on it? I mean, even here, I wouldn't need to replace the whole thing, right? I just need to remove this clamp and get that connector and put a regular clamp on it. Huh. Because anyways, if I order this line, I'll have to do the same thing on this end, because it doesn't come with a reservoir. It comes just a hose. Let me look into it. Yo, why you didn't go to school today?
I had
Uh-huh. You're gonna help me. We have a lot of work. Today we gotta do quick repair. Listen to this. A rear brake pads. I mean, rotors are shot too. They need to be replaced. But I'm not buying the rotors here for over $100 a piece, because that's a total rip-off. Like a total rip-off. I'll just order on Rock Auto, but maybe they have some cheap brake pads, so we can get rid of the noise at least for now. And I'll order the brake pads with rotors from Rock Auto because it's the cheapest, and they're good, really good quality. The only thing I hate, you see the rotors here? Damn, they're really trash, like really trash. We figured we're not buying the brake pads here, not even brake pads. Screw it, I'll wait. Really, my wife's coming back home later, so we will have to pick up this car can wait. The cheapest brake pads they got are $50, and on Rock Auto, I mean the cheapest ones are probably like $14, but like something better, they're like for $22. They'll be fine, really. The only thing I hate, it's when I bought from eBay, the Detroit Axle, whatever, the eBay brakes, they squeeze. I have them on my pickup truck in the rear, because in front I got Brembo, but in the rear I needed to replace it fast, and there was no Brembo available. I bought the Detroit Axle. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna throw the cheapest thing I can get, and they're the worst. They squeak. They really squeak bad. And in the front I got no problem, but the rear ones, don't buy the brakes on eBay. So yeah, the car will have to wait. We will have to drive without the rear brakes. I mean, it still brakes fine. It's just rear. So other than noise, it's all good.
Oh my God.
Keep going.
Why are you filming me?
I want to show how you're learning.
I know how.
Keep your hands away from it.
I can't, because it's like this.
Then maybe take to the other hand and try like this. It's really nothing hard, man. See? Clean them all. And I'm working on this side of the wheel. I don't record it because you've seen it the last video. I'm just trying now. I have to remove the hub. I'm already here. I unscrewed the hub first. I thought it's gonna pull with the because I was pulling the rotor, and I unscrewed it. I thought it might be come together. No chance. No chance. You see that the rotor broke off, and now I have to remove the hub by itself. Okay, it's kind of done. That's what it looks like. Beautiful. Everything fresh and new. I just need the axle nut here, and the thing is, these I don't know if those are crush washers, or let's call it a copper washer. I'm not sure of how you call it in English. So they go on a hose when you have that brake hose, a different type, and you have like a bolt with like a drilled bolt. You put it on the top and on the bottom. So for this, I believe we don't need that washer. And here in the back, it's different. We have the e-brake, or hand brake, or whatever you want to call it, and a different axle nut. I don't know how do we remove it. I'll figure it out. I think it's just a cover. We need to take it off. That's what I was afraid of. Bearing fell apart, but in the back we can remove. We don't need to replacing hub with the rotor. We can use the puller and take off both at the same time. But the bearing, and now I need the bearing puller, and I don't have it. I need I need to pull the other half of the bearing. Okay, so what I bought today, I got a free bucket from Harbor Freight. But I got this bearing separator and puller set and some pliers. Yeah, if anyone's wondering, I watched the TRQ video and they used them. So I'll try to do the same. Let's try to remove this bearing. When I watch the YouTube videos, everything seems so easy, guys, but in reality, I'm fighting for life over here. Like, look at it. The dude showed it's just you press these two pins over here, like the locking things, and he pulls it right out, and I can't get it out. It's still blocking me.
Use a straight blade screwdriver and pry it out a little bit. You can see the two little tabs. Those are the tabs you have to push down. So slide that out. And that slides right off.
I got it out, but it was a real pain. It was a pain. Never again. Okay, now let's try to remove the rest of the bearing. I believe that's how it works. There is like a little groove left in the bearing. We put it on, we tighten these screws right here, then we put this on, and now we should just be able to pull it off, hopefully. If it's tight enough, because you see it moves a little, but I don't want to tighten it too much. Something like that, I guess. It's working. It's working. I know, guys, you love my shoes. Yeah, I'm too broke. You know, you see the channel name. I'm too broke for a work boot. I mean, I work around the house. Come on, I don't need to put like heavy duty boots to work on the car. It's totally working. First time used with success. But I see a lot of cleaning. We have to clean all this, and we have to be careful around these because here in the rear there is ABS sensor mounted a little bit different. So yep, we got it out. Look how rusted it was. I'm the best. You see? I learn. Maybe someone learns with me during these videos. Guys, for real, the engineers should burn in hell. Like literally, they should freaking burn in hell. It's like the worst car I ever owned. I started with a Scion TC. Then I had a 09 Honda Civic Si hatchback. Then I had a BMW 335D diesel. Yeah, 335D, which is diesel. And then I had my Ford F-150. Then I had a Mitsubishi. Oh my God, I had two Mitsubishis. And this is literally the worst car I ever worked on. I don't know who came up with an idea. I know some German cars are the same. Like hop without the studs. Why? What's the freaking reason to? Everything's harder this way. Same thing here. First time in my life I have some freaking spring on this. It's like spreading the brake pads separate. It's so hard to, I don't know, other cars don't have it and it works fine. So why make the life harder? I simply don't get it. You guys remember those plastic rings that started melting when I was heating up the old rotor? I'm gonna need this. It's like a rim centering ring. Look. Because someone put cheap rims on this cheap car. They couldn't keep the stock, which in my opinion are way better. And they need those centering rings. So I have to buy them, and I don't know what size. It's done, guys, it's done. I just need to bleed the brakes. My hands after, look, all day in gloves. Like, whew, it feels like I had them in the water the whole day. But it's the only way to keep them clean. If I don't use gloves, then it's impossible to wash them. Yeah, so we gotta bleed the brakes. I will just wait for my daughter. We will bleed them, and that's it with the wheels. We're all done. I just need this. I measured it. It's 65 to 73 millimeters, something like that. So I need 2 for front, but oh, it looks so nice. It looks beautiful. I wish they had Brembo for front, because even the rotors in the front, they're like white, not like metal color like this in the back. I love Brembo. Amazing brands. Look guys, brand new caliper. We're bleeding the brakes. Okay, stop. Okay guys, that's totally on me. I didn't tighten the hose that's going, the brake line. Now we can bleed it. It must have it. Okay guys, we're done for today. We're finishing bleeding the one brake. We still got 3 more to go. We will finish on Sunday. Bless you. Because tomorrow I'm going to my friends to finish the Ford. So on Sunday we were gonna finish bleeding the brakes. And we gotta do like clean air filter, do oil change, oil pressure sensor. And I think that's it, and we will start it. So not much left on for Sunday. What the hell you want? You can start your own YouTube channel. Show you have 100,000 subscribers.
If I were you, I would cut that out because people are gonna call you weird.
Are you gonna call me weird? Honest. I'm honest. I know how the word works, okay? Am I wrong? Okay, so that's it for tonight. See you guys in another video. The last one. This was supposed to be the last one. No, one more before we got it on the street.